What's happening, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're safe, healthy, and happy. Welcome into the channel. I know it's been a while. Just kind of been doing stuff, you know, staying busy, things like that. I just wanted to give you a quick update here in the garden. Kind of go around, see what I've planted, see what I've done. Over there, I have a few things that are coming up. Peppers, basil, a couple other things. Over here, chives, lots of spinach, lots of carrots, and some lettuce. Back here, I got some tomatoes and dill, different types of tomatoes, dill. Here's my garlic doing fantastic. Here's my bush onions. Those are doing all right. I tried rosemary again. Boy, rosemary does not like me in my garden. I got some squash coming up there in the back, if you can see that. Lettuce, more lettuce. There's some flowers. That's just a flower mix that I got from Lowe's just to get some flowers out here. There's some more tomatoes. They're doing okay. I got a couple of weeds. I got to do some weeding. Over here, oregano, tomatoes, more oregano, more tomatoes. There's some thyme, more tomatoes. There's my mint from last year. There's my potatoes. I'm surprised by my potatoes. They're doing awesome. Tomatoes, basil. There's some more spinach I put over here. Some more flowers, some calendula. Here's my blueberry bush. Now, after I did a little research, I learned that I needed 2 blueberry bushes so that they can cross-pollinate. So I got another one on the way. 25 bucks or something like that for a 3-year-old blueberry bush. I'll take that all day. Over here, we got some cantaloupe and honeydew that's coming up. Some lettuce there in the back. I got to replant that lettuce over there. That didn't come up at all. Some more flowers. There's my cabbage from last year. That was in the garden if you go back a few videos. What do we got? Watermelon. We got cabbage that isn't doing very hot. Here's some cabbage over here that gets left out. You can see that it gets eaten already. See, there they are. You can see that little red bug right there eating up. Here's some broccoli and cauliflower. Keeping that under the tent. We got some basil. I just planted the cucumbers in the back. We got some parsnips and lemon balm, some more calendula. Again, cucumbers in the back. Some more bush onion, some bunching onion, and green onions. These are the green onions that I bought from a store last year, and I was surprised they grew all winter long. And I just keep picking it. So that's kind of the update in the garden. I mean, I'm happy with it so far. I got to replant a couple of things, but you know, it's going well. There's a couple of things like rosemary, where I'm going to plant my 3rd or 4th time this season. It's just not coming up for me. Sorry about the sun. But I'm happy with everything so far. We're doing pretty well. A little slow. We had some 40-degree nights again this weekend. So, or this week. So it kind of slowed a few things down a little bit. I had to cover my tomatoes with a tarp. Tuesday night, I think it was like 41 or 42 degrees. So I've covered the tomatoes with a tarp. Oh, I did want to show you something though with the tomatoes. So if you're doing tomatoes sorry about that. If you're doing tomatoes in a raised bed or whatever, don't pick everything that you think might be a weed as you're planting next season, because this is the one that I planted this season, an early girl tomato. But these are from last season, right? All of these came from last season. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably dig these up and maybe give them to my neighbor. Maybe a pot or two. I'll have an extra tomato because those are good. Those are early girls. Those are good tomatoes. So yeah, don't pick everything. You might get some free stuff that you can replant, move, share with your neighbor, whatever the case may be. Don't pick it all. Don't let it go to waste. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you've all had a fantastic last couple of weeks. Hope you're healthy, happy. You and your family, friends, everybody. Still don't know where the country's headed. So the best thing to do right now is grow your own food, store water, and filter it out. That's what we got. That's the focus, right? Keep your family safe and happy and healthy, things like that. So that's what I got for today. Appreciate you stopping in. My subscribers that I do have, I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and liking and hitting the bell and all the good stuff. I'd appreciate you. Hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. Take care of each other.